Hey guys, welcome back again. This is MJ. Today I'll show you very easy keyboard shortcut key to close Chrome windows and Chrome tabs. So as you can see here, I have opened a lot of windows and tabs here. So first in here in the on website, I got this picture, and here this is a YouTube, and you can see this is my website, and here I have opened three tabs like Wikipedia and Google. So in one tab I have opened in one window I have opened three tabs, and here are the separate windows. So how to close this everything, just clicking one simple keys in emergency. So the key is just press Control Shift. Don't be confused about the key. It's Control Shift. Hold the Control Shift and press Q. Boom, everything is gone as you can see here. So if you need emergency, or if you want to close suddenly everything from the Chrome browser, whether it's open windows or tabs, whatever, so just press Control Shift Q to close all this thing from your desktop. So this key will work to all version of the Chrome browser. So thanks for watching, and see you in next video with new shortcut keys. So please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.